Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can add a navigation menu to your WordPress website. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and open the dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin. So after that, a page not like that will show for you. It will be something like so, like that. All right, here they will ask you to put your username or email address and then your password. So let me put my username, and here we go. So now after the dashboard opens for us, what we'll need to do is go to appearance, and from here we can go to menus. Of course, there is other ways to make a navigation menu, so I will show you all the ways that possibly can make you add the menu, and you can choose whatever will fit you and whatever is faster for you. So now let's add the menu name. So we add a main menu and create menu. Here, if you have any pages or you created any pages that must be on this menu, you can just select them and click on add to menu. Right after you add them, what you need to do is automatically add to level up page, or select the pages that you want it to be, and then just check all these options if you want it to be on all of these options. So let's select of these three and save menu. Now after you've done that, what you need to do is go to your website to check if the settings have been changed. So as you can see, here is the settings and they are changed guys. So tutorial, video tutorial, and simple page. There is other ways to change it by going to customize, and from customize guys, you will be going to menus, and once again you go to create a new menu. If you want to create a new one or to edit a previous one, you can just click on it, and from here you can reorder. Clicking like that, you can remove, or you can actually add items or create new pages from here and directly add them to that menu. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually add the navigation bar. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.